Okay, we are going to try doing some precision farming kind of mapping, sample mapping with Google Map. Just a sample of how this actually works in those machinery. Using our own experience based information in our farm, we can make some precision mapping. So go to maps.google.com, log in, and then go to your places, maps, and let's make a new map. So I'm going to call this precision farming demo step 1. Soil condition, irrigation mapping. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is look for a public marker that's available to zoom to my location. So I go to Just Food Farm stand and then add the base map, satellite map. So all of this is clearly explained in the first YouTube about making a location map. This is now the second step. So here when I was farming in my area, which is approximately this rectangle, so in here there was actually a region here which was very sandy. I don't know why exactly the soil type was different all over here, but at this west and northwest corner was very sandy, and this region, a little bit around here, was probably a low elevation, so it was watery or waterlogged. So if I want to just remember that for next year planning, I can make some maps on that. So I'm going to add a layer now. Let's add line or shape. So I'm going to add a polygon here. Okay. So I can call this layer as soil conditions. I'm going to add one more. We can add colors that are representative. Since it's wet, I can give it a blue color. This can be in sand color, maybe. And the farm as such can be in healthy green color. So this kind of information It's actually identified by machinery by looking at the elevation levels. So the tractor has a machine that can look at the elevation and figure out where water would stagnate, and it would decide how to apply fertilizer for that region based on this awareness. Same way, the information about the soil type within the land can be input into the machinery, and based on the soil type also it can change irrigation or fertilizer application. So this is what happens in precision farming in a large scale. It is built into the machinery based on large scale information. So we are doing the same with our own experience based information with our own hand drawn maps. I can maybe add another layer now to talk about irrigation. So maybe irrigation plan 2021. And I can have this layer switched off. Yeah, maybe including that. And I'm going to add a line to represent my drip irrigation. So these are my drip irrigation lines. I can actually make a polygon for the sprinkler system I add here. So I can see sprinkler for flowers and herbs. So maybe a little more water, more wet here. So it can be more blue, and this can be in a lighter green color. You can take it and edit it. So this is irrigation mapping. You can switch on and off the soil condition and the irrigation map depending on what you want to see. You can zoom in and zoom out. Precision farming is something like this. It's not exactly like this, but we can do a miniature scale precision farming try with the Google Maps based on our experience. You can add a layer of crop planning. You can say that I have first 3 months some lettuce here and radish, and then I moved on to tomato and pepper. And then I had the first 3 months peas in this region. So I can also do crop planning map here using the same tools. So this is saved under our name. If we need to share it with other students for learning purposes or for informing them where to go and do some work, you can share it as a link, but only those with the link can view. You can choose to show your name and photograph or close it.